How to archive and unarchive Facebook Messenger conversations. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to archive and unarchive Facebook Messenger conversations. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Facebook Messenger app on a device to display your list of chats and then navigate to the conversation you want to archive. Next, swipe very slowly from the right to left across the Messenger chat you want to archive. And remove your finger immediately when you see a menu start to slide in from the right. Now, go ahead and tap on the archive option in that menu. That Facebook Messenger conversation will immediately be removed from your main list of conversations and archived. You can view your archived Facebook Messenger chats at any time by tapping the three lines at the top left of your screen to open the menu and then tapping Archived in that menu. A full list of your archived chats will be displayed. You can unarchive any of these chats by swiping slowly from right to left across the chat you want to unarchive to open a menu and then tapping Unarchive in that menu. That specific chat will be restored to your main conversation list. So this is how you can archive and unarchive Facebook Messenger conversations. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.